Just look at that water. So clear.
Get ready for a day on Peanut Island. Today we're launching our paddleboards here at the Phil Foster boat ramp, and the conditions are flawless. The water is crystal clear and perfect for snorkeling the rock piles. Join us for an unforgettable adventure as we dive into this underwater world teeming with sea life, including a few encounters we definitely did not see coming. This is an adventure you won't want to miss.
Since we didn't bring our trailer and our kayaks this time, we don't have to pay the permit for parking. This poor boat has taken on some water. I would paddle out till you get past the dock, then before you stand up. We already see a starfish in the water. One thing we love about paddling to Peanut Island is this water is so clean and clear. I think this water is even better than Key West. I just don't know why this water stays so clear compared to some of the other spots. Sure makes it easier trying to find some of the underwater wildlife. Over to our right is a swimming area, and I believe there's some stuff under the water that you can actually snorkel to and see. It's really not that far of a paddle from the boat ramp to Peanut Island. I think this is the first time we've done it in our SUPs. I know we brought our regular kayaks out here a few times, and we took our pedal kayaks out here once, but I don't believe we brought our SUPs out here yet. So I just saw a manatee in this water. However, he was moving and we don't chase him, so I didn't get him on film. We've practically got this area to ourselves. There's one kayaker. They're not in the water yet. Boat just pulled up over here, but they've got some distance in between us and the area we're at. The boats aren't allowed to come. Since it is a designated snorkeling area, we've got all these rocks, which the little fish like to swim around and hide in. We've seen stingrays here. Maybe we'll get lucky and see another one. Just look at that water. So clear. There's not many places where you can find clear water like this. Did not have a tight seal. Had water come up about to my eyeballs. That water is so clear today. Makes it a big difference when you don't have so many people kicking around all the dirt. lot of fish. A lot of fish. Gosh, this water is so clear today. It's amazing. Did you see that? We saw an octopus. Whoa. That was awesome. Wow. Let's see what else we can find. Alright, well, we saw some pretty cool aquatic wildlife, an octopus and their shark, several different types of fish. I don't know what all of them are. Now we're going to walk around and see if there's been any work done on the JFK bunker. Up ahead, we've got a couple of iguanas. He's not liking us coming towards him, so he's walking away.
It's swimming! Oh my goodness! It's swimming! Oh! No kidding! Whoa! They go under the rock! No kidding! Whoa!
They haven't really done much more on this restoration project here of the old Coast Guard area. I think the fence was up here last time, and the sign still says, coming soon, dock replacement, phase 1. And the dock has not been replaced. Although phase 3 was restoration of the Coast Guard station. And it does look like it's gotten a paint job and some of the windows replaced. So somewhere back there is the JFK bunker, but they closed it off several years ago, and there was talk of restoring it, but that also was several years ago. Pretty big iguana right there.
Thank you all for joining us on this adventure. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe if you enjoy this type of content. Hit that bell notification to get a reminder of future videos. A special thanks to our channel members. If you'd like to further support the channel, become a member and get an awesome little dolphin beside your name to show off your support.